Ever wonder how AI could work together like a super smart team, figuring out roles, adapting on the fly, and solving problems without humans holding their hands? Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking approach called SwarmAgentic, where AI systems teach themselves to collaborate. Let's break down how it works, why it's a game changer, and what it means for the future of smart technology. Traditional AI systems are like solo performers. They can do amazing things, but when it comes to teamwork, they're stuck in rehearsal. They need humans to design every step, who does what, how they communicate, and what to do if things go wrong. But what if AI could act like a real team? Think of a group of friends planning a trip. Some handle maps, others book hotels, and if the plan crashes, they pivot without a manager shouting orders. That's the vision behind SwarmAgentic. Imagine a robot team trying to plan a road trip. One robot maps the route, another books hotels, and a third tracks the budget. But if the hotel robot accidentally crashes into the map robot, how do they fix it? Traditional AI systems can't adapt. They're stuck with pre-written rules. It's like giving a team a script, but no improvisation skills. SwarmAgentic changes the game. Inspired by swarm intelligence, like how birds flock or fish school, it uses AI agents that evolve together. Here's the twist: it doesn't start with predefined roles. Instead, it creates agents from scratch, letting them experiment, learn, and refine their teamwork without human intervention. It's like giving a group of strangers a task and watching them figure out roles, strategies, and even conflict resolution on their own. So how does it work? SwarmAgentic uses particle swarm optimization, PSO, but with a language twist. Imagine a swarm of drones searching a maze. Each drone shares what it learns, but also keeps its own ideas. SwarmAgentic does something similar, but with language-based agents. It encodes teamwork strategies as particles and evolves them through trial and error. Think of it as a team of writers brainstorming a story. Each member suggests ideas, builds on others' work, and refines the plot until it clicks. What makes SwarmAgentic stand out? Let's highlight 3 game-changing features. 1. From-scratch generation. No templates, no human-designed roles. It creates agents like a director casting actors for a play. No script, just raw potential. 2. Self-optimizing functionality. Agents get better over time, like a musician practicing until they nail a solo. 3. Dynamic collaboration. They adjust how they work together, like a sports team shifting strategies mid-game. The proof is in the pudding. Researchers tested SwarmAgentic on 6 real-world tasks, like planning trips, scheduling meetings, and even creative writing. And the results? It outperformed existing systems by 261.8% on one benchmark alone. This isn't just a tweak. It's a leap toward AI systems that can tackle open-ended, complex challenges on their own. So what's next? SwarmAgentic isn't just a technical win. It's a glimpse into a future where AI is truly autonomous, scalable, and adaptive. Whether it's managing smart cities, optimizing global supply chains, or even helping scientists solve mysteries, this tech is rewriting the rules. What do you think? Would you trust an AI team to handle your next big project? Let me know in the comments. Let's zoom in on how this works in practice. Take travel planning, a perfect example of complex multi-step problem solving. Imagine handing the task to a team of AI agents, each with a unique role. One maps routes, another books hotels, and a third tailors dining recommendations. But how do they stay in sync? This is where the magic happens. Some systems, like the SwarmAgentic approach, use a structured workflow. Each agent's work is verified and refined before moving to the next step, like a quality check at every stage. But not all systems are created equal. Take the ADAS method, for example. While it assigns roles like itinerary agent or budget agent, it misses a key player, an accommodation specialist. Without this, the system struggles with critical details, like ensuring a hotel allows pets or meets minimum stay requirements. It's like planning a trip without checking if your hotel has a pool. You might arrive and find out it's closed. The comparison shows why structure matters. SwarmAgentic's approach ensures every constraint is addressed, from transportation schedules to dining preferences. It's like having a team where each member double-checks the other's work, creating a seamless plan. Meanwhile, ADAS's lack of specialization can lead to conflicting details. Imagine your flight time clashing with a restaurant reservation because no one cross-checked the schedule. So why does this matter? These systems aren't just for travel. They're models for how AI can tackle complex tasks, from organizing meetings to solving scientific puzzles. By understanding how these agents collaborate, we see the future of problem-solving: smart, structured, and surprisingly human-like. The next time you plan a trip, remember, you're not just using a tool. You're witnessing the evolution of AI that's learning to think, adapt, and work like a team. What will your AI team achieve next?